Hi Tarot loves, it's Ethany and I've got the Witch's Bounty as well. Come aboard and see my bounty for April 2019, which was sent to me by the lovely team at the Witch's Moon subscription box. So I'm going to be swapping over cameras and we're going to see what stone is featured for April and what treasures we have in this gorgeous box. Alrighty, let's go through the Witch's Bounty for April. Ooh, what stone are we gonna have this month? Okay, so that's a little, as always, we get a little kind of overview of what's in the package, but I won't go through that just yet. We have Pre-Night. Oh, I like Pre-Night. A stone of healing and transcendence, quiets anxieties and restlessness. I get a lot of restlessness. Removing the non-essential and promoting alignment with the highest good. Invokes personal power in the service of love. Enhances intuitiveness and psychic abilities. Encourages communication with higher planes and divine energies. And that there looks like Archangel Raphael, just from the medical, the Candonatus. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Probably not. I'm sure someone in the YouTube comment section will tell me I'm pronouncing it wrong. They always do. But this is definitely Archangel Raphael. We have this beautiful artwork as well. And as I mentioned in my other unboxings of the Witch's Moon boxes and bounties, I've now started keeping these in a scrapbook kind of grimoire. So I'm really happy to have all the lovelies. Okay. So, ooh. So this is the Pre-Night. Sterling, oh gosh, that's gorgeous. Look how big that is. So we have this beautiful filigree sterling silver. That is a massive piece of Pre-Night. And then we have a lovely inlay stone, which is also green. I'm going to have a look actually at our little overview. Whoops, sorry. It's an emerald. This custom crafted rough Pre-Night pendant has been placed into a one-of-a-kind silver casing wrapped with this beautiful essence of botanical designs. Beautiful bale. Pre-Night was the first mineral to be named and identified from South Africa. Oh, it's a stone of healing and transcendence. So with this beautiful green, we can safely say this has a lovely connection to the heart chakra. So gorgeous. I actually wore my Witch's Bounty moonstone today. Lots of lovely compliments on them, on that moonstone. Okay, so what else have we got? Oh, confetti everywhere. It's huge, it's gorgeous. Just gorgeous, darling, just gorgeous. Oh, this is a Fluorite Diamond. I don't actually have one that's this big, so this will be the first Fluorite. I've got smaller ones. I'm just going to see what they have to say about Fluorite stone to accompany you on your path. We've included a beautiful Fluorite stone. This very powerful stone is meant to assist you in opening doorways during meditation that would otherwise remain closed. Keep this with you throughout your day or place it amongst your altar to retain the energies of openness during ritual work. Beautiful. Loving the colour palette, I do. I do love these beautiful soft greens. Okay. Next treasure from the bouquet, from the bounty, we have Transcend Blue Oil. So we have an anointing oil. Transcend Magical Anointing Oil has been created to bring forth the energies of alleviation, stress relief and comfort, so that you may transcend during your magical workings. As you cultivate your energy each day and allow this anointing oil to be your companion, feel the overwhelming connection between you and your divine purpose. Connect to your higher vibrations of your work, knowing that your journey is filled with importance. Oh, I do like a couple. They've got eucalyptus, lang lang. Oh, that is a really interesting smell because it's got quite a mix, because I find I love eucalyptus. Being Australian, let's not all be shocked. So I love eucalyptus oil, and it is, for me, it's quite a spicy smell, like a mint, acidic. Is that the word I'm looking for? It's probably the right word, acidic smell. And so it's paired with quite soft other undertones in this. So it's quite beautiful. It's like calming and awakening at the same time. That's a gorgeous oil. Then we have our beautiful necklace for our pre-night, lovely color. We have our candle, which is Silent Sound. We've rolled this spell candle in eucalyptus for you to burn in preparation for meditation and relaxation. Oh, I'm not gonna open it too much because I like to keep all that goody goodness, but look at that, along with it until I'm ready to use it. What else have we got in here? And then we've got some beautiful incense. That smells lovely. Let's have a look at the incense. This is also alleviation incense. Allow you the smell of earth's dew to waft through your surroundings. It's to help create and bring a sense of health, radiance, charisma to your environment. Oh, it's gorgeous. And that's that beautiful pre-night artwork, which is the resonating with the pre-night, and is by A. Alden, who works exclusively for the Witch's Bounty. So absolutely gorgeous. So I was very lucky to be sent this by the company, The Witch's Moon. This is the Witch's Bounty for April. So lovely. God, just beautiful. Look at all that lovely heart stuff. This month, my coven and I were working on forgiveness and compassion and the goddess Kuan Yin, and I feel like this is such a beautiful companion to have. Healing, transcendence, relieving anxieties, and bringing, alleviating with restlessness, and to go into the heart space and work with higher energies. I feel like that was a very lovely companion piece to my personal work this month. So that is the unboxing. That was what was the treasures in this month's Witch's Bounty. I will pop in the description box where you can go to get your own box. You can get the subscription, or sometimes they have leftovers. You can get a specific month if you really like it. And as always, thank you so much for watching.